Hello friends, welcome back to Jesus Tech. Today I'm going to show you how can you download the latest version of Windows 11 ISO file very easily. First go to the Chrome browser, you have to connect with the internet and in the search bar you have to type download Windows 11 ISO file. Then I'm just hit enter and you can find our first link, just click that, download Windows 11. Here we can find our download Windows 11, that is the 25s2 latest version. Okay, and scroll down and here download Windows 11 disks. Okay, you can find out, just click here Windows 11 multi editions and click confirm. Then after here we have to choose the product language. I'm going to choose here United States, confirm. Then after you have to click the 64-bit download. Okay, click the 64-bit download. Then after you ISO file of Windows 11 has been started to download. Hence you can download ISO file very easily. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.